So move along to the European movers.
All positive as far as the stocks we're looking at today. First of all, Nokia. We touched on these recently, mentioning the fact they were going to sell their mapping business to a consortium of German automobile manufacturers. Today, they reported numbers. They reported a rise in sales and profits. Management said it was very much focused on reducing costs and driving efficiencies. And I think what the market particularly liked was the fact that margins were sharply higher on the same period last year. I think I'm right in saying they might have been 80% better than they were over the prior period last year. They also said that their deal to take over Alcatel-Lucent is on track, and that should close in the first quarter of 2016. That the net of all that is that the shares are trading around €6.41, up by more than 7.25% this morning. And then Anglo-Dutch company Royal Dutch Shell, one of the world's biggest oil producers, RDSA, the ticker in London. They also had numbers today, but it wasn't so much about the individual numbers as what the management said that they were going to do. So they've committed to the dividend, at least for the next 2 years. They've committed to their ongoing share buyback, which will basically run up to a total of $25 billion worth by 2020. And they showed how they were going to set their stall out with some significant cost reductions across 2015. They've so far saved around $4 billion per annum. There's more to come in 2016, and as part of that, they are cutting 6,500 jobs worldwide. The stock's traded up by around 4% to £18.35. The only thing really that I could see in the numbers that might queer the picture was the idea that oil prices might return to a range between $70 and $90. Looking at the current state of play, that seems somewhat unlikely to me. But
well, maybe they'll have a hand in that by producing less. And
well, that's
the price up.
Also.
It's interesting that their share buybacks more than BP will be paying for the damages at deep water. So
yes.
So that's the difference. In terms of spending power or cash available.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah, indeed, and that's a very good point, well made.